My role here at Ngāti Whātua is compostologist. It's a term that I use to highlight the fact that we are looking at regenerating green waste throughout the Porua Valley. My grandfather used to garden through here back in the 50s, 60s and 70s. So for me to be following in his footsteps many years later is a very cool thing. We're only kaitiakitanga of this land, or guardians, so I feel like my time here is short, but I'm going to make the most of it while we're here so that we have something to pass on to future generations.
Our zero waste or parakore kaupapa started at the marae. So the marae started recycling the food scraps and putting those into compost. And the compost, how most people would know it, like a worm row or a pile at the back of your house. We've expanded since then, and thanks to the Waste Minimisation Fund, we've got a more industrial version of that.
Our aim is to feed our people, reusing and repurposing as much of our green waste as we can. For a long time, we've been the ambulance at the bottom of the cliff, basically sorting out rubbish streams and then sending it to the appropriate places, but we'd like to build a fence at the top of the cliff. There is use in those different waste streams that we can be repurposed, reused and rejuvenated. Really excited about the Waste Minimisation Fund.
It was an ability for us to get other capital in a shared investment structure, if you like. You know, we have the land, we have the people on the ground, and we just wanted the ministry to support us with the mahi we were doing. We wanted to elevate the mahi, do more of it.
We're going to be doing some in-person wānanga with our whānau. We're going to be doing lots of content where we're going to do some sort of lifestyle hacks, TikTok-style videos for the younger viewers. We're very, very keen to show other Māori organisations what can be done, that there is an opportunity for them to feed in. You know, we purport to be kaitiakitanga of Papa Tuanuku, so we need to align ourselves with the things that we hold dear.
You know, Māori organisations have ngā matapono, or our values, and our Māori values of kaitiakitanga, manaakitanga, they are entrenched in us. Our connection to the whenua and the taiao is in our blood, from our tupuna, so for us to be involved is a must. It's natural to us, and we do it here on our whenua. Anyone else throughout the country, small marae, small garden, they can do the same. If you want to do a larger role in that, talk to the ministry, they can support it. Ko te oranga te taiao, he oranga nā tangata. If the environment is thriving, so will us people.